Ever wondered how to find the Wi-Fi password on your iPhone? Today, you're going to learn how. Knowing the Wi-Fi password saved on your iPhone can be a real game changer. It's like having a master key to your digital world, allowing you to share your Wi-Fi access with friends or set up new devices with ease. We'll cover how to retrieve your Wi-Fi password on iOS 16 and above, earlier iOS versions, and even via router settings. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the first method. If you're running iOS 16 or above, the process to find the Wi-Fi password is straightforward. First, you'll need to head over to your phone's settings. From there, tap on the Wi-Fi option. You'll see a list of networks, and the one you're connected to will have a blue check mark next to it. Tap on the small I button adjacent to the network name. This will prompt you to enter your device passcode or use facial recognition depending on your security settings. Once you've done that, you'll gain access to a field labeled password. This is where your Wi-Fi password is stored. To share the password, simply tap on copy and paste it into a text message or any other medium of your choice. Remember, you can always pause this video if you need more time to follow along. And that's how you find the Wi-Fi password on iOS 16 and above. But what if you're using an older version of iOS? For those of you using earlier versions of iOS, don't worry, you're not left out. The steps to retrieve your Wi-Fi password are just slightly different. Here's how you can do it. First, open up your settings. Just like before, tap on Wi-Fi. Now, instead of finding your connected network, you'll need to touch Edit in the upper right corner. Once again, you'll have to enter your passcode or use facial recognition. You'll now be in the Edit menu where you'll see a list of all the past networks you've been connected to. Find the network whose password you want to retrieve and tap the I button next to it. Just like before, click on the password field to reveal it. And voila! You can now copy the password for sharing or safekeeping. So there you have it. That's how you find the Wi-Fi password on earlier versions of iOS. But what if you can't access your iPhone settings? In case you can't access your iPhone settings, there's still a way to find your Wi-Fi password. Start by opening Settings and tapping Wi-Fi. Next, tap the I button next to your network. Now, copy the router IP address and paste it into your browser. You'll need to enter your router credentials to access settings. From there, navigate to find your Wi-Fi password. Remember, be careful when accessing router settings. And there you go. Now you know 3 different ways to find your Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. If you know other ways to find your Wi-Fi password, feel free to let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe for future content to see more hidden iPhone features that can make your life easier. Until next time.